Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called Vizeo, which is the world's first video AI building platform that creates jaw-dropping human talking videos across 82 languages in just mere minutes and helps you to make huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 3 action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $599 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Alright, so I'm going to log in now and demonstrate the insane power of Vizeo's mind-blowing AI technology that will blow you away. And in just less than 60 seconds, you're going to see me create a stunning AI human spokesperson style video for a local plumbing business who I can charge $300 to $500 to, including a monthly maintenance fee on top. You don't need any tech skills or experience. I'm going to show you how simple it really is. Now what I'm going to do to make this even more challenging is put a countdown timer here so you can see how I'm able to do all this literally in under 60 seconds flat. Okay, so I'm logged into the dashboard right now and you'll instantly notice that it's all clean, it's simple to navigate and it's very user friendly. And I'm going to create an AI video and pick a template, and as you can see there's lots of stunning ready-made templates to choose from in the hottest niches, fully customizable with unlimited flexibility to create the perfect human spokesperson style video that people would pay thousands of dollars for. Now whether you're creating AI videos for your own personal use or you're selling to local businesses, we have a massive quality range to choose from. Alright, so let's start the clock, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose this plumber template and then edit the slide text to the local business name I'm targeting. And I can change the background color if I want, but I'll leave this as it is and then choose an actor. Alright, now stop the clock. As you can see, it literally took me a few seconds to do all that, and there's 26 different human actors to choose from, or you can even upload your own image and map that face onto any human avatar. The face swap technology built in is pretty mind-blowing and there is nothing out there like this on the market. Okay, so now I'm on the live editor and the drag and drop technology makes it so easy and fast to create jaw-dropping high-end AI videos like a pro. And as you can see for this plumber template, everything is done for me. I only need to change out a few fields like the business name and the location and the contact info, and then it's done. So now moving on to step 2, I just need to add a voiceover, and Vizeo allows you to turn any text into professional voiceovers in many different languages and accents. Okay, so let's start the clock again, and I'll just paste in my script I already have here, and I'll then select a language and then select a voice artist from this huge range. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, you can fully customize the voiceover with all these different options and even change the speed on how fast or slow you want the voiceover to be. There are no limits here. Vizeo allows you to convert text to speech in up to 82 different languages and 600 male and female voice accents, giving you endless possibilities to reach any type of audience and market. So whether you're in the foreign niche or need a particular style voice, everything is all there at your fingertips. There's literally unlimited flexibility here, and I can even preview how the slide looks before I render the video. It's so easy and intuitive for me to customize this template to my client, and there's so much more you can do with Vizeo that will blow you away. You can easily change and move around text. You can change fonts, colors, images, background images, use different transition effects, and even insert video backgrounds and much more without worrying about any code. Vizeo is 100% newbie friendly and super simple to use. Okay, so let's start the clock again. Alright, so all I need to do now is click generate video, and now I just sit back, relax, and wait for my stunning human AI video to render. Okay, stop the clock, and boom, we're done. As you can see, in just about 60 seconds, I was able to create a stunning, realistic human talking video without cameras or mics, customized and ready to sell to local businesses as an agency or just use in my own marketing. Vizeo has all the powerful features you will ever need to achieve any marketing goal. These actors move and talk like a real human being, with incredible lip syncing technology and facial expression, allowing you to command bigger attention in your marketing, boost your conversions, and skyrocket your sales like never before. You know, there are so many more awesome features I haven't even covered here for the sake of saving time and demonstration purposes, as I wanted to show you how easy and simple it is to get up and running fast. Like for instance, other cool powerful features include the AI face swap feature right here, where you can upload any photo into Vizeo and have it mapped perfectly onto any human avatar, and then it will speak whatever script you want with that changed out face. So this avatar right here, say I want to use this Sylvester Stallone image that I uploaded, I can have this mapped automatically onto this avatar. How freaking cool is that, huh? Being able to use any face onto 26 different actors available inside Vizeo. On top of that, our AI avatar generator will blow you away. You simply select the type of avatar you want, and Vizeo's incredible AI technology goes to work, which automatically creates stunning, unique human avatars that you can use in your videos to stand out from the crowd and be miles ahead of your competition. It would have cost you thousands of dollars to hire out a video team, use a studio, and buy expensive camera equipment. However, Vizeo pumps these stunning AI human talking videos out for you in just a few clicks without you being on camera or using a mic. There is nothing out there on the market that comes close to how good Vizeo truly is. Other platforms are very slow to use, limited on features, poor quality, and charge ridiculous monthly fees just to create one human spokesperson video alone. Now with Vizeo, you can create as many videos as you want. Everything is done inside one easy to use platform without having to buy several other tools. As you can see, my AI video is done and ready to go. I could easily charge any plumbing business $300 to $500 for just a few minutes worth of work. Pretty mind-blowing, huh? AI human spokesperson style videos and voiceovers are in huge demand right now, and it's only going to get bigger. If you go onto places such as Fiverr, people are charging anywhere between $960 to $1,500 for creating one single video spokesperson alone. Now imagine you used Vizeo to create personalized videos like that in just a matter of minutes. You would be raking in huge paydays without much effort. The possibilities and earning potential is literally crazy. Especially in this current crisis, millions of struggling businesses are in need of spokesperson style videos to promote their brand better and pull in more customers. And that's just the insane power of Vizeo. Simply pick a template, customize to your style, hit render, and your AI video is done. No tech skills or experience needed. So you don't ever have to worry about paying thousands of dollars in subscription fees on other useless video builders that are very limited on features and slow to use, or wasting many weeks and months of your time buying 5 different tools to do what Vizeo does all in one, or spending thousands of dollars on hiring actors, studios, and expensive camera equipment. Vizeo does all of the heavy lifting for you with just a few clicks of the mouse, so you can focus on enjoying life and making more money.